Now we will learn about how to create a goals. Okay, creating a goal. For that we have to switch to your blog or your website which has been linked, not demo account. You will not be able to create a goal because you are not an admin of this particular account. Google is an admin for this one. You will not be able to create. So to learn a create a goals, just go to your website. Okay, go to your website, click there your website and all pages. Okay, once you have been done that one, go to admin, go to here admin. On a right hand side you can see here goals. We have a goals. Okay, we have a goals here. Select that one goals, select that one goals. Then not create, we haven't created a single goal. We'll start creating a goal, new goal. Once you start with creating a goal, you can check what type of the goal it is. Okay, you can select a revenue goal or you can select a register online schedule list. Like this, based on your subscription goal or view schedule goal or which type of the goal it is, you can select one particular goal. Okay, you can select one particular goal. Then we can say that we'll say custom continue. Now goal description, they will ask to goal description, like what type of goal, name of the goal. We'll say visit to page. Okay, then goal slot, they will ask. Okay, goal id 1 set to 1, that is the first goal. Then we can take a destination or we can select a duration or page or an event, playing a video, that will be event. Number of the pages need to be visited when they have been logged in, that will be a pages per session. Or duration, they has to spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes in your website, that will be set. Or destination, like one particular page, web page has to be reached, thank you page, or it may be a conversion page, like that they has to reach. Then we say continue. Then it is asked which is the web page it is. We say that we'll select this one. Okay, copy the link, this particular link I would like to visit, someone need to visit to this particular page. Okay, this particular page to be visited. If you like to give the value, for example, if someone visiting this particular page, you will be earning 10 rupees, then you can say here turn on the value and you can give the how much USD you will be earning, or as zero. Funnel is nothing but when you have a path, like after this page what to be seen, after that what to be seen, like this the step by step you can write all the things. Then you say save. Okay, the goal has been created. Like this you can add a multiple goals, you can add a multiple goals to your pages, multiple goals to your pages. Okay, once you have been created a goals, you can go to your acquisition and you can see here in a conversion about a goal conversion. Okay, you can check about your goal conversion. Right now there won't be any data because we haven't started running. In a sense, it may not, it will take some time to update, in the sense the data to be update. Okay, there will be some time. Okay, once they have been updated, it will be given here. Okay, that's about how to create a goal by using an admin. Another thing, you can also learn much more about Google Analytics by using a discover here. Click on this discover. Here so many videos are there, you can use that one. And I suggest that to complete some of the pre-certification course available in a about Google Analytics, that is nothing but a in a analytics academy. It is directly you will get a certificate from a Google itself. So select this one, click on go. So you will taken to a Google Analytics, Google Academy. It will taken to Google Academy. Then you will be having a certification courses here. One, two, three, four related to Google Analytics. One for the Data Studio. We already learned about a Data Studio, right? You, if you haven't learned, go through those videos. And for that one also we have a certification here. And Tag Manager also we have a certification. So you can, yeah, the suggestion to everyone is nothing but to complete these four and this at least these five certifications. These five certifications. Okay, just we have to select here. It will take you to the page. It will give you the video, the about thing, and register here. Then you will start learning. In the sense, videos will be there. You can watch the videos. Once you've been watching a video, then some set of the questions will be asked. We have to answer to that those set of the questions. Okay, here if you are selecting a register, it will ask some of the questions like from where, describe your job role. Are you a student? Like this you can give the your job role, and you can say next. Next it will ask the some of the questions it will be asking. Okay, you can select proper answer. Don't select as I'm selecting. Just for a demo I'm selecting here. Okay, like this. Then I intend to complete this course for a certificate of completion. Yes. Then say next so that it will be started your course. This is a one particular course. You can watch the video. Once you have been go to next lesson. Okay, once at the end of the lesson you will be having assessment. Once you complete assessment like this, the entire once you have completed all the four, this one, your certificate will be generated. So you can also do a online certification by using a Google Academy. Okay, but it is a free of cost. No need to pay anything for here. Five certificate you can do, and these all five certificate will be from the Google itself. So please do that one. Okay, it will add a value in your resume also. Okay, this is about a Google Analytics. How can we use the Google Analytics in brief? Okay, the more and more you are looking, in the sense you are referring a data, you will have a more and more ideas about how to analyze the data and how can I utilize that analyzed data in a business.